bro, just let you know, these are the new dash cams that we've got. It's all plugged in fine. Gets no power, obviously nothing. And I got an older one here. This is one of the older ones that I found here in the office from a single customer, and it works. Yeah, the new one doesn't work, bro. So yeah, do you want to get onto the display? Cheers. There's no power. It's connected up fine. USB. There's no power to it. Connected fine there. It's connected fine there. It's not bringing up the USB folder still. File manager, files. There's nothing in there for it. Settings, file browser, downloads. Nothing there for it. There's no APKs. Nothing. Okay, mate. So what I'm going to do is go into your settings. Go to car settings, personal, and look for power off display. So there's your quick boot. So you can set it to like 30 minutes or something like that. So if you get out of the car and then get back in the car, after a while it will quickly boot up. But you leave it overnight, it won't. So it will delay the screen to boot up. So it's got power. It's all connected all through here. It's all there fine. Also it's got power. And this is what it sounds like. I've just done another test with the second mic. I've just got it held here by my finger, and yeah, it's obviously connected to the power there as well. As you can see, it's got power. Okay guys, so once you've done all that, you see the USB symbol up there. Sometimes you may have to come into your head unit here and you have to tap on your settings and allow your device, or sometimes come up HD recorder and you can go straight into the app, which this one here has done. If you can't get the app to work, you can download it from the website at vhedia.com.au and look at the downloads, and you can download the app from there. You've also got in here settings, so you flip it, your mirror mode, so back to front, collision sensitivity, and if you want to download the app to your phone so you can instantly download your videos, you've got your 2 QR codes there for Android or your iPhone. Hey guys, Harley here from Vhedia. A lot of people are wondering how you can get and all that stuff for your phone and what's to go with the QR codes and the app. So all you do is you bring up your camera on your phone and search whichever QR code you got. Android, you come there, link, and bring it up to the website. So as you can see, that's downloaded, so it's install, and then just open up, and obviously allow all your details, agree. Okay, so next thing you want to do is you want to add your device, so you're there, and then next, and connect to your Wi-Fi. I've already done that, and then bring up you can take up your account there, and then that'll match your dash cam there. So you click connect. Cool, and there you go. As you can see, there I am. And you can just replay all your feedback just through there. And then you got all your videos up there, which there's none saved for this because I just installed this unit. And yeah, have a good day, guys.